This week's Grand Adventure is going to be pure eye candy. Welcome back, Grand Adventurers. I'm your host, Mark Guido. And while we're sitting here at our winter campsite in northern Utah, our ski season is now entering its 7th inning stretch. So while we're busy making travel arrangements for a great season ahead, we wanted to take the opportunity to go back and do something that we haven't done with you since 2021. We get a lot of comments about our drone footage, either shot around our campsite or around while we're out exploring the area. So we're going to take the opportunity to share with you our favorite drone footage from the past few seasons. No narration, no backstory, just pure viewing pleasure. We'll be right back in just a moment with more beautiful drone footage to share with you. First, though, we would like to take the opportunity to introduce you to our video sponsor, RV Mattress by Brooklyn Bedding. If you're getting a crummy night's sleep because of the cheap OEM mattress that came with your RV, we can't recommend highly enough Brooklyn Bedding. We absolutely love our Brooklyn Bedding mattress, and let's explain to you why. Improve your sleep while camping with a new RV mattress from our video sponsor, Brooklyn Bedding. They offer 4 different mattress constructions in 21 different sizes, depending on preference and price point. Everything from standard queen to all of those funky, odd RV sizes. Brooklyn Bedding manufactures all of its mattresses right at their factory in Arizona. And RVmattress.com ships them right to your door for free, all rolled up and compressed in a vacuum seal. Just cut the wrap to unroll the mattress onto your bed, then cut the vacuum seal. For our mattress, Brooklyn Bedding starts with a layer of high-density foam for a supported base. Just above the base, an 8-inch core of over 1,000 individually encased coils provides the essential support. Immediately above the coils is a 1-inch layer of memory foam and 2-inch layer of hyper-elastic TitanFlex foam. Finally, at the very top is a 1.5-inch layer of antimicrobial CopperFlex foam with TitanCool, which is designed to maintain an ideal sleep body temperature of 88 degrees. Every RV mattress from Brooklyn Bedding comes with a 10-year warranty and a 120-night sleep trial. Visit rvmattress.com/grandadventure to get 25% off your entire purchase with promo code GRANDADVENTURE. Following a quick ad break to pay the bills, we'll be right back with some more terrific aerial footage from our RV travels. So stay tuned. We sincerely hope that you enjoyed this episode of Grand Adventure, because coming up in just a few short weeks, we're going to be getting back on the road, exploring new areas that we've never been to, that we're going to bring you along. So if you're not yet a Grand Adventurer, now is the perfect time for you to go smash that little subscribe button right down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. And ring that notification bell to be sure that you never miss a Grand Adventure, which we premiere every Wednesday evening. We'd be honored if you shared the channel with your friends, family, and on social media. Understand, it is extremely important to us that if you like this episode, please be sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. And while you're down below, that's where you're going to find the comment section. It's where we love to hear from you each and every week. So until next Wednesday, please remember life is nothing but a grand adventure. We'll see you then.